Hello everyone. Let us see question number 38b. Is surgical contraception is better method of contraception than physical contraception? Justify your answer. Really? There are mainly two types, alwa surgical contraception and physical contraception. Is surgical contraception is a better method compared to physical contraception ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This physical contraception involves puberty and some pills which irregulates the hormone production ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ yes, surgical methods are the safest to avoid pregnancy without any adverse effect. Surgical methods are safest compared to physical contraception to avoid pregnancy without any adverse effects. But in physical contraception ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whereas the physical contraception method is not the safest because this method cannot avoid STDs completely. STDs ಅಂದ್ರೆ sexually transmitting diseases. This physical contraception method that may be using condoms or taking pills or copper tea, these are not safest because this method not avoid STDs completely. You know that some diseases like AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, they transmit through sexual act. Alva? So there is a rarest chances, also there is a rarest chances of causing pregnancy. Sometimes also it may cause pregnancy. Use of contraceptives like loop or the copper T may cause irritation of the uterus. These are the disadvantages of physical contraception method. Whereas in surgical method, it is the safest to avoid pregnancy without any adverse effects ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Thank you.